Good, y'all. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to use a gun. So on fire. Not supposed to be. Safety. It's a black ram right there. So that's the safety button. So you press that to the other side. That's when it's ready to fire. Or you can just put it to the different side. And boom. You got it directly on safety. Directly on safety. And teach y'all how to load. But first, show y'all the little staple.
Certain people letting their kids go back virtual, and then some people letting their kids do it on the tablet. I'm gonna let you do virtual for a minute, then I'm gonna let you go back to what you go into.
Here's the staples.
You get the rules around what it is and what it's about.
Here's the staples. Keep it on this side because these little staples fly in. Not that sharp, but it's sharp enough. How you load it is, it's a button right there. Push down, pull out. So in that first, I'm going to push down and pull out. And it brings out this metal rod. Okay? And as you guys see, you always keep it unloaded. Keep the safety on and you're loading it. But yeah, you're on. You don't want that to happen, trust me. And what you do is you keep it this side. That side. You keep it that side. And you load it. So basically it's a metal rod in the middle. And what you do is just drop it in. That simple. One rod equals about 100 staples, but I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm gonna put this little one in it, make it full, and it's full. And you keep this rod the same way as you put the staple. You slide it in, and it's supposed to go all the way down, but it's too full. But that's what you got the slingy shot thing for. Push it down, just like you unraveled it. Push it down. Pretty stuff. What you do is push it down and push it up, and push it up real tight. Make sure that's loaded and safe. Make sure that part don't pop down. Like, for example, getting ready to use it. And, oh my god, the staples fall out. Like that. But in that case, you don't want that to happen. So if I keep the rod in, put that in, and you take the little one and put it back in, same way I showed you. And you take the rod,
No, I mean clean it all up. You will see your mess up last night. You wouldn't have had to clean it up.
come on.
Yes, now when to clean it up.
I gotta load it.
That shit was supposed to be cleaned up before you went to bed. I told y'all.
There we are. That's how you load it and unload it, and safety and not safety. It's gonna be a part 2. Though I'm not gonna say how we use it. It's gonna be pretty similar to this. Basically, I don't know how I'm gonna put it, but I'm gonna fire it for you guys just once. Alright, so I got a little photo. And further. And usually you put the staples like that. Stapler gun on like that, and the staples, but this one can go from a distance. It's not like a real gun too, that's what's crazy. You don't want to do your work and staple your stapler on. Staple it onto your desk. How about, so you won't be moving it all over the place, you just staple it. And they easy to take out, really easy. So what you do is push down like that. I'm actually going to show you guys. Okay. Hey guys. What you do is you push down like that. And you let go. So, ready? Staple it to your disc if you want. Plus simple mine. I paid for it. Took a lot of money, but I got it. Cool part. Now, what you want to do is you want to put 3. So 1, 2, 3. No, make sure it's really secure. Just shoot it right to camera. I ain't gonna do that to you guys. I love you guys. I'm a kidder. I'm not gonna fire it today, but I promise you guys. I love you guys so much. I might now pay close attention because this thing is loud. Okay. All right. Pay close attention. And what you do is you put some pressure, a lot of pressure, and you just let it go. Like this. There you are. You got a staple. You got a staple. It's literally stuck. The point is, it looked like an M. Look, let me show you guys. The good part about these staples is, I mentioned this, when you staple them, they staple like an M. They M staples. Not like M staples, but when you staple them down, they shape like an M. So I fired that off for you guys. It sounds pretty loud. I'm going to do a whole review on just letting the thing go. Just letting it go rapid fire everywhere. But I'm going to do that outside. Click like. Click, if I get, let's say, 10 likes on this video, I will do it. I will do it for you guys. That is the staple review of the video. And love y'all. Peace. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Give me 10 likes and I'll do a full review of unleashing 2 whole rods of staples. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.